welcome to another video of Snarin Bait. Today's video, my dad and I will be going dove hunting. We're going to be going to a place not too far from here. We're going to see if we can get onto some nice sized dove. What our plan is we're going to sit next to the pond, wait for the doves to fly by. There's this nice cornfield not too far from where that pond's at. Both of those dove will be waiting in there. And oh, there's some that are just flying right there. A good sign. Hopefully it's not too windy and hopefully they'll come in towards the evening and around the pond. Sorry I haven't posted a video for a while. I've been busy, school started, and I've been trying to get things done there. But today I had a chance to make a video. So with that being said, let's get over to the pond and let's see if we can get on to some nice sized dove. Got it. There's the first one. Bunch of feathers came out of it though. Dad, just north of you.